Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, welcome. So glad you decided to stop by. My name is Makeup by Princess K. Sometimes I just go by Beauty by Princess K or just plain old Princess K. Just follow me on my social medias and you'll see it changes. It changes. If you're an oldie but a goodie, what up? Hey girl. Hey, welcome back. I appreciate the love and support. So today's video is something that was really fun for me. The It's MyRayeRaye and BH Cosmetics palette. I was so excited to find this. I actually found it when I went to Ulta. It had been out of stock for forever and a day, and I finally got my hands on it. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look for an everyday spring beautifulness, then go ahead and just keep watching. And I hope you guys like this video, get some inspiration, and yeah, let's just hop right into it. Hop right on into it. Hey, hop right on into it. Hey, hey, hey. No. Thanks for watching. I am so completely late on this palette, but I finally got my hands on it. And what you ask did I find? The It's MyRayeRaye palette. Hey! Go ahead. You was in Ulta. Go ahead, Ray Ray. This palette is gorgeous. I've played in it several times. Of course, it looks like this, and you open it like this, and you have contours and highlights and all that good jazz. And then you open it like this, and then you have the eyeshadows. And the best thing about it, it's by BH Cosmetics, so we know that it's inexpensive. As a matter of fact, this whole palette, which you get 16 eyeshadows, 3 contour bronzer shades, and 3 highlights for $22. And a mirror. Like, come on. Because y'all know sometimes those palettes from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, or even Tarte, they're like $45. And you get some good pigments and you get some really good eyeshadows, but $45 when you have this beauty right here for only $22, you can't beat that with a stick. So basically, I'm just going to be using this palette to do an everyday look for spring. This is something that you can wear to work, you can wear to church, you can do whatever it is that you want to do. Let me stop rambling and let's go ahead and get started and dive right on into this good old palette. Oh, and one other thing that I love about this is that all the shadow names are actually on the shadows. Like, you can see them on here. Like, come on, $22? Come on, BH Cosmetics. Come on, It's MyRayeRaye. Come on. So the foundation that I used today was the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. This one right here. And it's in the shade number 362. I want to use as much of this palette as I can to do my entire face because I'm so happy for her and I'm so happy that I finally got my hands on it. So what I'm going to do is, because I've already primed my eyelids using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I'm going to go inside the palette and I'm going to take Cha, I think that's what it is, don't judge me, on this fluffy brush, and I'm just going to set that. So for my transition color, I think I'm going to go inside Spice, which is this beautiful brown. It has a warm undertone to it, and I'm going to use this as my transition color. The look that I'm going to be creating today is not going to be anything that's too crazy. So of course this is going to be something that's very user friendly and like beginner friendly, so you can definitely play with this palette and do this look, like recreate this look. I don't see there being any types of issues with that. This is such a gorgeous shade. Oh. Okay, so y'all know that I'm lazy, so I'm not going to be switching up a whole bunch of brushes. I'm going to take the same brush, just going to dust it off a little bit, but I'm going to go into Sunset, which is this beautiful orange color right here, and I'm going to put that right over top Spice. How gorgeous is that? Like, for real? For real? This is what we do in BH Cosmetics? This is what we do in This MyRayeRaye? Yes. let's go into Midnight, which is this beautiful brown shade right here. And I'm going to use that to deepen up the outer V just a little bit, because I still want this to be daytime wearable. Just a smidgen. Smidgen of vision. Did y'all see that Saturday Night Live sketch? That was hilarious. And I'm just going to take a little bit of both Spice and Sunset and run that under my lower lash line. And then now for the fun part. Woo, woo, woo. Let's go into Fairy Tale, which is this beautiful, I'm going to swatch it for you. It's this beautiful gold shade. Do you see that? Gorgeous. I'm not going to waste any product. I'm going to use this on my finger and put it on this eye. Look at that. And I think just to jazz it up just a little bit, I'm going to take a little bit of Tiffany, which is this beautiful coppery shade. And just put a little bit of that. Isn't it gorgeous? Now, because I want this look to continue to be daytime friendly, I'm just going to take a brown liner and I'm going to do my bottom waterline and my tight line. Okay, so that's pretty much it what we're going to do to the eyes. So let's move back onto the face. So of course, to conceal, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I'm going to take my beauty sponge and blend all of this out. So to set that, I'm going to go back into Chai. I think that's what it is. It's this one right here. Now let's go ahead and contour. So her contour shade is a lovely, it says Brownie Bites. Yes, this is a beautiful brown shade, and it does have the gray undertones. I feel like it's going to be extra pigmented, so I'm going to use a very light hand. Very light. Yep. Hello, pigment. That is pigmented. You see it? Yeah. And I'm just gonna go back in and clean up anything. Now let's highlight, because she got 3 of them in here. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do some swatches. I am not the best at swatches, but we're gonna do this today. Okay, so this one here is Moonlight. It's not really picking it up very well. It's like this really pretty gold color. It reminds me of Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. And then this one is, in the middle, is Radiant, which is gorgeous. It is this really pretty candlelit color right here. And then the last one is French Toast, which is this one right here that I think is bomb. I think I'm gonna mix Radiant and French Toast together and see what I get. this highlight, like this combo, like that is stunning. Yes. And I don't know if it's picking it up on camera. Like here, it's like, woo! But then when you turn here, you don't see it like sitting on the face. Push through. And then I was thinking, because I want to be a little bit extra, I'm going to take a little bit of Radiant and put that in my inner tear duct. That'll brighten up the eye. Woo! This is stunning. Stunning. I'm in love. Okay, so this completes the look. I absolutely love it. Like basically we did everything. We set our concealer, we contoured, we highlight, we did our eyes, we did everything with this one palette. This is a 10 for me. This is an absolute 10 for me. Thank you, BH Cosmetics. Thank you, It's MyRayeRaye. Like I feel like this is gonna be the best traveling palette ever because you can do so much with it. It's so versatile. I absolutely love it. Anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and go shout out to RayeRaye. Go shout out to BH Cosmetics. Go cop that palette. 16 shadows, 3 contours, 3 highlighters, and a mirror for $22. Come on, you can't beat that with a stick. Go ahead and pick it up. If you guys enjoyed this video, like I said, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.